Where's the train?
I know. Go over there a little bit. I'll be right back.
Where's the train?
I don't know. I heard the whistle though. Maybe it's just a slow train. It's probably a slow train. I did hear the whistle.
I did too.
For it.
My finger was stopping.
It might have.
Sarah only heard one horn. Because one horn means stop. Good job, train. How has it come yet? Where is it? I hear it. Oh my God. I think that train came because it wasn't me. I think that train stopped because of me. I heard a different horn than that.
Maybe. We'll see.
Let's see if we see two trains. We have to wait for the next one maybe. I'm gonna pause it when we get on, okay? I'll let you know when the train comes. I think they're racing each other!
Maybe there's two. See, it is coming slow.
I'm gonna yell at him to say, throw me a water. I'm gonna say and play Jingle Bells. Over here, CSX! CSX! Play Jingle Bells! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 33, 34, 25, 26, 27, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146. Alright, now we're waiting for the other one that we heard another horn of. I just have been wondering we heard another horn. We did. I'm just gonna go warm up. I think I'll just stop for a minute. I just think I'll stop for a minute.